Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable IPv6 in the LibreWolf browser. IPv6 is the latest version of the Internet Protocol, and enabling it can improve your browsing experience, especially with websites that support it. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to open up your LibreWolf browser. Once LibreWolf is open, go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your browser, which will open the menu. Next, in the drop-down menu, click on Settings. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on LibreWolf. This section contains advanced settings that are specific to the LibreWolf browser. Now look for the IPv6 setting in the list. If it's currently disabled, you just need to enable it by toggling the switch. Enabling IPv6 allows the browser to use IPv6 addresses when they're available, offering faster and more reliable connections to websites that support this protocol. After enabling IPv6, you'll want to restart your browser for the changes to take effect. Just close and reopen LibreWolf, and you should be good to go. And that's it. You've successfully enabled IPv6 in LibreWolf. It's a simple change, but it can help improve your browsing speed and compatibility with modern websites. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.